Money is easy. Here are ways to make money. The most important way to make money is through knowing your own talent. Talent is a God-given gift that should be celebrated. It can make you do extraordinary things which can make people acknowledge you and offer you gift and marvel at your accomplishments. Our world has been changed, modernized and civilized by talented men and women who have maximized their talents or gift. Having talent is not easy. To actualize your talent, here are 15 ingredients you need. If you really have passion for this lesson, kindly like and subscribe to this channel. Number 1, discipline. This will help you become a better person. It will keep you more responsible. Through discipline you learn the culture of being honest and trustworthy. It will make people to like you and do business with you. It will help you shun bad habits like smoking, heavy drinking, womanizing, not to commit crime or disobey the law. Discipline will keep your mind focused. Number 2, hard work. This will give you edge over goal. It's an advantage you have been ahead of your lazy colleagues. It gives extra pay and success. Number 3, passion. Passion will energize your talent. Number 4, focus. It will direct your talent and help you get better results because you are not distracted. Number 5, wisdom and knowledge. The two, especially wisdom, is needed while looking for success. Wisdom will be a light to your path. It will open the door of creativity, vision and insight to do or see. Knowledge is needed to expand your ideas and to cope in this area of civilization and modernism. Number 6, fear of God. The fear of God is the beginning of wisdom. It will draw you closer to God in your relationship with Him and to guarantee your success because without Him you can do nothing. Number 7, belief. You must have strong will and belief in your goals. Your belief can take you to your destination. Your strong sense of belief will make you a champion. Belief will lift your talent. Number 8, preparation. This will position you to tackle and take up the challenge. Number 9, practice. Practice will sharpen your talent. It will make a strange task solvable and you become familiar with the trains. Number 10, teachability. Teachability will expand your knowledge. It will elevate your knowledge. You will be able to learn from others. You will have the curiosity and unlimited desire to learn. Number 11, responsibility. This will help you to be matured and in charge in handling your duties. Like this lesson, share and subscribe. Number 12, perseverance. Perseverance will take you to the final point notwithstanding the obstacle in front of you. If you persevere, you don't surrender easily. You will never quit. It sustains your talent when the journey is strong. Number 13, courage. Courage will make you bold and drive away your fear. With courage, you don't run away from the task before you. Number 14, your character. Your character can drive people closer or away from you. It attracts customers, friends and helpers. Your character can protect you. Number 15, teamwork. Teamwork will multiply and expand your talent. You will make it faster with the help of other team members with you. Thank you for your time. I hope you picked more points and vision from this video. Please do these 4 assignment. Number 1, like this video. Number 2, share this video. Number 3, subscribe to this video. Number 4, hit the notification bell icon for more lessons ahead. Thanks. God bless you.